when you believe in it and you love it, it's tangible.
I had limited skills, but I had loads of passion, and that's what really pushed me into being successful.
And there are going to be a lot of doubters along the way, but you have to be able to believe in yourself and really get creative.
Finding people that are in your corner and that are always in your corner, no matter what.
Letting your girlfriends know and your female friends that they are killing it and they are doing great things.
Only 8% of Vermont's highest grossing companies are led by women, and women still only make 84 cents of every dollar earned by men.
This series inspires anyone in the crowd to start somewhere and hear from others on how they started.
You have to think about who's around you and how can you help guide them in their careers.
You're not attracting the best talent if you're only pulling from half the population.
We've had mentors meet their mentee. We've also heard from people who have been like, yeah, because of this panel, I decided to start. I decided to start this business as a mom when people said it wasn't possible.
I just found a different path. Like as soon as I hear a no, I'm like, well, that's not gonna happen, so I'm gonna do it a different way.
Proving people wrong, there's a little bit of satisfaction with that.
There's a lot of satisfaction in that.
These conversations that occur before and after the lights go on is where magic happens.
After the panel, someone came up to me and was like, oh my God, I'm so glad to meet you. I have a book coming out in a year with a major press and I don't know anything I'm doing. Could I take you out to lunch? I was like, of course. And now she's a good friend of mine.
We've had 9 seasons, 32 events, and 87 speakers, ranging from Olympians to tech founders to CEOs to people who have started restaurants. We really wanted to make this accessible to anyone in the community.
It's human, it's shared, and we just put our little Vermont flair on it with, again, amazing people sharing their journeys in real time.